Hey guys, welcome to my long-awaited YouTube channel. Like, did we need a whole pandemic for this to happen? But I am finally here and I'm so excited to share with you guys. We're gonna talk about my current favorites. We're gonna talk hair, makeup, skincare, food, you name it. We're gonna talk about it today. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads, and make sure you comment below some of your current favorites. So why don't we just jump into it? First things first, we gotta talk about food, because like, why not, right? We are currently in the house, ain't nobody going nowhere. I don't know about y'all, but I am about to go bat crazy, okay? And one of the things I'm doing is overeating. Snacking every 5 minutes, y'all. But hey, if you're gonna snack, at least get the good stuff. And this right here is thebomb.com. This is the spinach and artichoke dip from Sam's, y'all. This stuff is going to bless your life. Heat it up, get you some Tostito scoops. It is the bomb while you're watching all these Netflix movies. Grab you a bowl, put this in it, heat it up, get you some scoops. It's really good, trust me. Also from Sam's is the buffalo chicken dip. This is also really good. Even if you're not like super into spicy foods, this one is not really that hot in my opinion, but it is really, really yummy. So these two things, I'm telling you, while we're in this quarantine, I would go to Sam's, but be quick, you know, get your mask and gloves, okay, and pick these two up, all right? I am not super into hair whatsoever, but I do love me some good edge control, y'all. So I used to be that Hicks or nothing else kind of girl, but last time I got my hair done, the girl that did my sew-in recommended this one, and it's called She Is Bomb. And y'all, she really is bomb. This one is really good. It's not gonna cake it up, it's not gonna make it flaky, and it will hold all day no matter what your hair type is. I'm natural and this really holds all day long. I got this at my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure you can get it at any beauty supply store anywhere. Again, it's called She Is Bomb. Moving along, let's do some body care, skincare kind of things. This first thing is something we all need right now. Okay, hand soap. Say it with me, hand soap, not hand sanitizer. I mean, that's great in between washes, but what we really need is hand soap. So this is the Champagne Toast Scent Foaming Hand Wash from White Barn or Bath & Body Works, the same thing. Y'all, I wish you could smell this through the camera. It smells so good. Like, it legit smells like champagne. Not too sweet, not too floral. It's right there in the middle, really fresh. It also has vitamin E, shea butter extract. It's got aloe, essential oils, all really good. And it's a foaming wash as well, which I really like. Along with that is the Champagne Toast Candle from White Barn. So I don't know if y'all are like me, but I cannot stand for my home to smell like food. Like, I can't do the vanilla, cookie, waffle, nothing like that. Something simple and fresh and warm. It smells just like champagne, and it's called Champagne Toast. Candles are just good all year round. Next up, y'all, this is the YSL Libre. I don't know what happened to my top, so don't judge my ratchetness, but this is the newest scent from YSL. Clearly, I have loved, used, and abused this fragrance, but this one has a little bit of citrus notes in it, so it's pretty much gonna carry you through the entire year. You can wear it in the winter. I wore it mostly through the winter, clearly, and I think it would be good in the spring and summer as well. All the scents that YSL makes are bomb. Black Opium is really good. Mon Paris is excellent. And this is the newest one and right in line with the other ones, just as good. So I highly recommend this, especially if you like to invest in a fragrance that's gonna stay on all day. This is a really good one. And I get compliments from both men and women, so it's a really good scent. Next, kind of staying in line with the body skincare, is the CEO Glow Vitamin C and Turmeric face oil. Sunday Riley kills the game, y'all, when it comes to facial oils. They have several different ones. This one in particular has vitamin C and turmeric. So this one's gonna help with brightening and overall glow of the skin. I really like this because it adds hydration to the skin without making you super greasy. And even if you are oily, you can definitely use this oil. Most of the time, people with super oily skin, need extra oil because their body is overcompensating for the lack of hydration. So this I highly recommend. Along with that is the Origins Ginseng oil-free moisturizer. This is really good. It's nice and lightweight, but still gives you the hydration you need. So typically gels are going to be more for the combination to oily skin types, but this one in combination with the oils that I'm using is enough hydration for me, and I err on the drier side. This one also smells delightful, y'all. Like, wow. Did y'all see that? Nobody saw that, right? Still had the top on. This smells like a creamsicle ice cream, if you know what I mean. It smells like orange and vanilla put together. It smells delightful. Next up, let's talk more makeup. This is the Dragon Beauty color corrector. It's the orange one. I don't honestly know she has other ones, but this one is great for dark spots, age spots, sunspots, pretty much any darker hyperpigmented area that you want to color correct to make your skin look even. This one's really, really good. It's not too red, not too orange, not too peach, right in the middle. From Dragon Beauty, which is Nikita Dragon's beauty line. I don't believe you can get this in store anywhere yet, but the shipping was really fast. Highly, highly, highly recommend that. Next is my pride and joy right now, y'all, the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Velvety Matte Foundation. Y'all, this is the bomb. When I tell you, she is thick though, so if you do not like full coverage, this one's probably not for you. I'm telling you, a dime size or less will go a very long way. And I love this so much that this is my second one, and I have a third one waiting. Like, I'm telling you, this is really, really good. And it's not super matte or super dewy. It's right in the middle, that true velvet matte or satin finish. Highly, highly recommend this one. I'm in the shade Savannah 440. I will tell you though, you definitely want to go in store to get matched for this one, because I got it wrong twice when I tried to order it online. It was way too orange, and I do feel like it oxidizes a little bit. So make sure you definitely go in store, match yourself, or get somebody to match you. Wait a little bit to see if it all oxidizes on you. Otherwise, really good foundation. Couple more things. Next is the Amrezy Anastasia palette. Y'all, she kills the game every single time. Like, Anastasia just doesn't lose when it comes to eyeshadow palettes. So let me show y'all this. It does come with a brush, of course. I never use those, but some people might like them. Get into this. If y'all haven't seen this, you probably have already seen it already. It's been out for a little bit, but this one is really good. It's colorful, but it's still able to give you some neutral looks too. 3 different formulas. You've got the mattes, of course, your pressed shimmers, and your pressed glitters. It's beautiful for spring and summer. Again, even for the neutral, natural girl, this one's really good. All the eyeshadows from Anastasia always blend really nicely. They always stay on all day. Highly recommend this one. Cannot wait to show y'all some looks with this too. Don't worry, the looks are coming. All the cool content is coming, but I wanted to start with something more simple and cute for today. And last but not least is the newest Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette with Morphe. She killed the game with the first palette. She had some hiccups in between with Morphe and with her brand, but you know, I'm giving her another try, and so far so good, y'all. This is really good. Look how beautiful. Like, oh my gosh, she killed it. Super colorful, but again, like the Amrezy palette, I think you can get a lot of neutral looks out of this as well. Again, 3 different formulas, mattes, shimmers, and pressed glitters, which she didn't have in the first palette. So you're gonna have a lot of fun with this. I'm gonna have a lot of fun showing you some looks with this. Cannot wait to dive into this channel and show you guys what I have been holding inside for so long. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment below some things you think I need to try this season. Choose God, choose love, and choose beauty. Bye.